Nobody can agree on whether AI is going to take your job. Not the researchers, not the CEOs, not the people building the models. You'll read a headline at 8 in the morning that says, AI will eliminate 40% of software jobs by 2027. And then you'll read another one at noon from someone equally credentialed that says developers who use AI will replace developers who don't. You close both tabs and feel worse than before you opened either of them. The comment sections are war zones. One side says this is the beginning of the end. The other says it's just fancy autocomplete. They've seen this hype before. Both sides are furious. Both sides are certain. And you're sitting in the middle trying to figure out whether to keep grinding leak code, update your resume, or just put your head down and pretend none of this is happening. Here is what I want to say. The uncertainty is not the problem. Your relationship to the uncertainty is the problem. Epictetus gave us one of the most useful ideas in the history of human thought, the discipline of assent. He said, it is not things that disturb us, but our judgments about things. Not the thing itself, our unexamined impression of it. Most of us accept impressions like they're facts. AI is going to replace me. Accepted, unexamined, treated as true. My skills are becoming obsolete. Same. Epictetus says stop. Before you assent to that impression, hold it up and ask, is this actually true right now, or is this a story designed to get a reaction? Most of the AI replacement discourse is not designed to inform you. It is designed to engage you. Fear engages people. Certainty on either extreme generates clicks. The nuanced truth that nobody actually knows and the situation is genuinely complex is terrible for engagement. So you almost never see it. What you see is a constant stream of maximalist takes, and you are marinating in them every day, and they are making you anxious in a way that has nothing to do with your actual job or your actual future. The Stoic move is not to become dismissive. It is to refuse both catastrophic and dismissive narratives and return to what is verifiably true right now in your specific life. Are you employed right now? Yes or no? Are you learning? Yes or no? Are you shipping, solving problems, growing? Those are facts. The prediction that AI will or won't replace you in 3 years is not a fact. It is speculation. And you are suffering not from the thing itself, but from your unexamined acceptance of someone else's speculation as though it were already true. 3 moves. This week, entirely within your control. First, audit your information diet. For 7 days, every time you consume content about AI and developers, ask one question. Is this person trying to inform me or trying to engage me? Is this based on data and careful analysis, or is it a hot take optimized for the algorithm? You are allowed to be selective about whose impressions you let into your head. Treat your mental environment like it matters as much as your physical one. Second, make yourself undeniably useful right now, not in the hypothetical future, today. The developers thriving in this environment are not the ones who perfectly predicted the AI future. They are deeply valuable to their teams right now. They ship. They unblock people. They understand the business context behind technical decisions. They communicate clearly. None of those things are being automated. They are becoming more valuable as the commodity parts of coding get compressed. Become more indispensable in ways that matter, and you will be in a strong position regardless of how this resolves. Third, learn AI as a tool without letting it become an identity crisis. The framing of AI as an existential threat is a choice. Another equally valid framing is that this is the most powerful set of tools your profession has ever seen, and you get to be one of the first to learn how to use them well. Choose the framing that produces useful action. Developers who can think clearly, architect systems well, and use every available tool are not going away. The market is changing shape. Changing shape is not the same as disappearing. Nobody can tell you what the world looks like in 3 years. Anyone who claims certainty is selling something. The anxiety you feel is not coming from the future. It is coming from your judgments about the future. And your judgments are within your control in a way that the future is not. Refuse the catastrophe. Refuse the dismissal. Return to what is real. If this helped, subscribe. New videos every week. Just tools that actually work. Hit subscribe and I'll see you next week.